in the assignment model, except the minimization for the objective, it's also possible to find out the maximum objective. Let's see the case. This is the example of the second case. How if we need to solve maximization assignment problem? Yeah. So there are two things or two solutions to solve this problem. The first thing, you can use Hungarian method with manually find out the opportunity cost table, etc., and revise the table until you get the optimum solution. Or you can simply use quantitative method or QM application software. To solve it using Hungarian method, you can see the previous video tutorial about how to calculate using Hungarian method or flat technique. But in this case, you need to convert the opportunity cost first. So this is the example. If we have maximum assignment problem, so this is the maximum things. Let's see the case first. So this is the case. The British Navy have 4 ships and wish to assign this 4 ships to 4 sectors. The commander want to determine petrol assignment producing the greatest overall efficiencies. So the greatest means the commander want to find out the maximum objective, maximum goal of efficiency. We will try to solve it using QM, but before we use that, I just want to give a brief explanation how we convert it and follow the step-by-step using Hungarian method. So if we have the efficiencies of British ship in petrol sector information in this table, then you need to convert it if you want to use Hungarian method to solve this problem. One thing that you need to do is find out in this table the biggest number. Biggest number of efficiency, you will have 100. And then use that number to be reduced or subtracted with the other number or all number in this table. So an example, we have in ship 1, we have 20, 60, 50, and 55. That means you have to convert it. 100 minus 80 minus 20 equals to 80. 100 minus 60 equals to 40. Okay. 80 and then 40, 50, 45. 50 means 100 minus 50, 45, derived from 100 minus 55. And all the number you do like that. So convert it all. 100 minus 60, 100 minus 30, 100 minus 80, etc. until you finish it. And you get this new opportunity cost table. 100 minus 100, 0. After this, follow step by step, refers to the previous video tutorial that I taught you about how to solve the assignment model or assignment case problem using Hungarian technique or flat technique, Hungarian method. But we don't want to discuss it. So in this case, we will solve it using QM. This is very simple. So this is the case. And please, you can open your QM. Here you go. QM for Windows 5. You can download it for free from internet. Head panel. The first module. First, choose the module. The module is assignment. Assignment, and then file. New. We can type. The case is British Navy. Sector. Number of job and number of ship. This is the, so there are 4 ship and must be equals. The number of line or row and column must be the same. So 4 ship and 4 sector. Now the objective is maximize. So this is the way that you need to choose maximizing or minimizing, and then okay. Yeah, this is the case. To insert all the value or number easily, usually we can just make 2 windows. This is ship number 1, number 2, 3, and 4, and the sector A, B, C, D. Ship 1, ship 2, and ship 4, and put all the number 20, 60, 50, 55. Be careful, don't insert the wrong number, otherwise you will have the wrong solution. 55, 80, 75, and 70. And then just solve it. So this is the result. Compare it with the answer. So ship 1 assigned to sector D with the maximum or optimum efficiency is 55. And then ship 2 for sector D, sector C, sorry, ship 2 for sector C, 80 efficiency. Sector ship 3 to sector B, 100, and ship 4 to sector A, 65. The total optimization efficiency is 300. Or you can see assignment list. This is also simple. Ship 1, D, C, B, A, and the total is 300. That's how you create create or solve it using QM for maximization. Okay, it's very simple and very easy. So have a nice day, stay safe, and God bless you all.